Hi friends, Nicholas here from Technology Lowdown. Look, just a quick video today to have a little chat to you about how things have been going. Look, the last month or so I've made the switch from Windows to Linux, so that's been a pretty big change for me. I am not completely new to Linux. I've used it, on a Raspberry Pi. I've done troubleshooting with it on servers, and I've installed Ubuntu from time to time and used, things such as gparted to recover petitions and rescue disks for Windows environments or even Linux. So look, I'm not completely new to it, but I just haven't used it on a day-to-day basis. And look, a lot of that is because I just didn't want to spend the time and effort in setting up the programs that I want to use. But to be honest, I have found it quite easy with the distribution of Linux I'm using at the moment, which is Pop! OS. So this is the GNOME shell that I've got installed here. This is just a quick look. I won't go too far into it this time, but you see I've got all these apps here. These come with the system. This one is something I've installed OBS Studio for recording these casts, of course. But look, you've got your App Store right here, and you've got your web browser, and then you've got all your apps just right in here that you possibly want. You can create your folders to put your icons in as well. That's also a feature. But look, I've found it very easy to use this system. I've set up applications on here such as TeamViewer, so I can remote support my friends as needed. I've got Microsoft Visual Studio Code and even Spotify on here as well. If I just search for that in the menu, that will come up and allow me to open it from there. So look, I haven't had any problems with running this so far, but I believe I'm pretty much all set up with System 76, so hopefully I can start rolling out these videos over the coming months, especially now as we're coming into part of the year where we're often not quite as busy at work and may have a bit more time to get some additional things done in the evenings or afternoons after I've finished work. So I got some more videos coming soon. Look, I've been testing out ProxMox as well, so I'll probably put up some videos on that at some point, and even looking at pfSense now as well, running that all with ProxMox, and UNMS for Ubiquity devices, managing edge switches and other equipment which I look after. So there's a couple of things for you to look forward to. Thanks for watching the videos on this channel. If you'd like to see more, watch a couple of my other videos, and subscribe if you like, or send me a comment in one of the videos, and I'll look to do video if you have anything that you would like discussed. Look, I am pretty active and I do respond to comments, so do comment and I will be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching. I'm Nicholas from Technology Lowdown, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.